My 2-minute conviction is change is inevitable, but progress is optional. I'm in New Zealand at the moment working with some practice teams over here who, like the rest of the world at large, have gone through enormous amounts of change in the last 2 or 3 years, and they're trying to pivot and work out how they can progress and use this change to their own advantage. And it reminds me so profoundly that there are circumstances that happen to us, there are things that change around us in life, in business, in your careers, that are not in your control. They happen, you can't always predict them. The unexpected is a real thing, but it is up to us to work out how to use these changes to our advantage. Change is inevitable, but progress is optional. Some people go under with change and others find a way to overcome and succeed. And I think resilience as an attribute is such a prized possession in these times of unexpected change. And here's just a couple of quick thoughts on how you become more resilient to be able to take advantage of change. Number one, resilient people, they are always inspiring themselves about the big picture of life. That is, they don't know just what they're meant to do. They know who they're doing it for. They know why they're doing it. They have a zoomed out, long-term perspective on their purpose and their assignments. And that is a huge importance or a massive advantage when you're looking at how you can take the best parts of change and use it to progress. Secondly, resilient people, they are found in good company. That is, they recognise the dangers of a solitary life, and they are in a community of like-minded, like-hearted people who are similarly thinking about how they can progress in times of change. And thirdly, resilient people, they let go of the hurts of the past. They don't ignore or deny that things have happened to them, but they recognise that it's important to quickly forgive so that they don't carry the burden, because they can't accumulate all of these hurts and expect it not to weigh them down. It's like they can only hold so much in their hands, and if they're holding on to the wrong things, they can't grab hold of the new. So there's 3 things resilient people do. They inspire themselves about a big picture of life, they're found in good company, and they let go of the weights of the past so that they can take advantage of change, even the unexpected, unwanted change that happens to them, and they can progress, they can advance, they can move forward. So there's my 2-minute conviction. Have a great week as you think about how you can be resilient in times of change to progress.